Do you know there's a lake which is 100 kilometers away from Manali, जिसकी गहराई कोई ड्राइवर्स आज तक नहीं माप पाया है। एंड उसके बीच एक छोटा सा आइलैंड है जो अपनी पोजीशन चेंज करता रहता है। दिस सीक्रेट लेक इज़ द पराशर लेक इन हिमाचल प्रदेश, जहाँ ऋषि पराशर ने मेडिटेशन किया था। ऐसा माना जाता है that the lake was formed as a result of striking of rod by Rishi Parashar. No one has ever been able to comprehend the mystery behind the floating nature of this island, which makes it very intriguing and a wonder of nature. There are a lot of folklores from the place lend different mythological as well as mysterious attributes to the place. If you know any such folklores, comment down in the video. Thank you so much for watching. Follow The Noise 24.